Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off Twitter X sensitive content settings, right? So you have to just go and turn on your X mobile application on your phone here. Now once it get open, on the top right side corner you will see a profile icon. Tap on it, scroll down, and you will see this option of settings and support. Go to the setting and privacy here. Now here you have to go to the privacy and safety. Now go and click on content you see. Now here you will see an option called sensitive media. Right now here you can just always turn it on, or I have always mentioned here on. Right, same way in the other ways you can always turn it on if there is some kind of adult content here. And search setting, you will see hide sensitive content, right? So if this is turned on, then it will hidden all the sensitive content which will not be shown in your feed. You can always hide it, but if you don't want it, it's fine, you can always unhide it. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.